Hey, what's going on, family? It's Brother Andrew, and today we're going to talk about the top features that the Sony ZV-1 has that you just can't get on a cell phone. Cue the intro. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Brother Andrew, my cell phone got a great camera. And you're right, cell phone cameras have improved over the years, but when we're talking about the Sony ZV-1, it just take it to a whole nother level. First off, let's talk about the lens. The Sony ZV-1 lens is very versatile. It can zoom in and out, and you can also get that very beautiful background blur in videos and photos. And I know newer cell phones have been coming out with AI where it could create an artificial blurry background, but it's just not the same as having that natural bokeh effect from a handheld camera. And your cell phone just can't compete with that. Another thing about the Sony ZV-1 that cell phones don't have is this amazing autofocus. Like, it's really snappy. It's almost instant. And they also have a feature called product showcase. It could track objects once you hold it closer to the screen and focus in and out, snappy quick, has facial recognition, and it's just a step above what cell phones offer. No more blurry shots or missed moments because your camera just simply can't keep up. And don't even get me started on the flip out screen. You can see exactly what you're shooting no matter what angle you're shooting at. It's like having your own personal cameraman. Hey, I'm a content creator and I'm constantly filming myself, taking photos, and it's just a pain with a cell phone because the back camera on a cell phone is the best camera. But that's not an issue when you have the Sony ZV-1 with the flip out screen. You can always frame your shots and make sure you get the perfect shot. The Sony ZV-1 has great presets that can really get you started with minimum effort. But perhaps my favorite feature of the Sony ZV-1 is the ability to shoot in manual mode. Now, yes, when I got the Sony ZV-1, I was a little bit intimidated at first because I wasn't used to using cameras. Like, I was a straight novice. Like, I had to Google and YouTube how to use some of the features on the camera. But the more and more I used the camera, the more I learned, the more experience I got using the camera, I started to utilize some of the manual mode features, and it just really took my videos and my photos to a whole nother level. And it really makes me look more professional, and that's a major thing that most cell phones can't do, is the ability to go in manual mode and really tailor your images to look exactly how you want them. Yeah, I know it sounds intimidating, at least it was for me, but with a little bit of practice, it really gives you much more control over how your videos and your photos look. So there you have it, family. That right there is just a few of the many features that make the Sony ZV-1 an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade from their cell phone. I'll leave a link down in the description box. If you're interested in the Sony ZV-1, you can check that out. And if you feel like you got any value from this video, hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Brother Andrew, out.